Hi guys, it's Jordan Jonas Sparks and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a 5-minute vampire glam. So if you are interested in that, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are brand new here, and sit tight, I guess. Okay, let's see if I can actually do this in like 5 minutes. So first things first, we're not really going for like a cartoonish vampire. We're just gonna kind of go for like a Cullen-esque, kind of realistic-y vampire, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, and can we talk for a second? Remember the brow pencil that I was using in my last video from Goblin to Gorgeous? Well, guess what? It lasted for literally 1 use. And then I was like, really? This is empty? So, that happened. And that's like really, really good and fresh and fun. And I love it. So we're never buying a Maybelline brow pencil again. Sponsor me, Maybelline. Alright, brows done. Now, time to do foundation. And I'm gonna pick something that is more on the lighter side today because we're gonna go for a vampire look. And I'm also gonna use my Cover FX concealer because it is the lightest one that I own. So for my foundation today, I'm gonna be using this Superstay foundation, Better Skin by, ironically, Maybelline. So, wish me luck that this is better than that eyebrow pencil. Just kidding. I actually liked that eyebrow pencil. I was just surprised that there was like only 1 use worth in there. I was like, that is not cool, bruh. So I'm not buying that one again because there was literally like no product. And even if a product is absolutely amazing, we've learned with that like Kim Kardashian products, like the KKW concealer and contour kit and whatever, that even if a product is amazing, if there's only enough to do your face like once, it is totally not worth your coin. So yeah, that is an issue. Also, can we talk about how red my face is? Like, why is that a thing? And I have oh my god, I just put that in my beard. Okay, so we don't have time to color correct because I'm trying to do this in 5 minutes. Should I just not edit this video at all and then we can test and see if it actually went in 5 minutes? I don't really need color correction. I guess that tiny bit of foundation covered it up. So I guess Maybelline is redeeming herself with this foundation because it's way better than that brow. Actually, like I said, I actually like the brow pencil. It just ran out after literally 1 or 2 uses, and that's not chill, bruh. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my face with Rimmel London Match Powder as fast as I possibly can. And so today I'm actually going to use a brush for that and be old school instead of using the Beauty Blender, because Beauty Blenders are great for setting your powder. You just press it into the skin, and that's actually the better way to set your face. But today we are just going to do it really, really quick, so I'm using this big powder puff brush that I got from Joe Fresh literally like 10 years ago. Back when I would pretend that I didn't wear makeup. Oh my god, I forgot to put on concealer. Well, we're not putting cream over contour, or cream over powder, so looks like we are not doing concealer today. And on that note, we are going to use this brand new bronzer that I bought from NYX. It is in the shade Medium. Do I really need concealer though, you guys? I feel like the only color correction I needed was like under here, and I'm using like an all-over light color today because we're going for a vampire look, so we'll get enough color out of this bronzer. And I know I'm a vampire, so like, do I really need bronzer? The answer is of course no. Oh, it has a little mirror of its own, that's good. Why I'm using a brush like this, I don't know. Oh wow, she is deep. But that's okay, because we only have 5 minutes. And whatever happens, happens when you've only got 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm like afraid to do it on the other side, but gotta make it match, girl, gotta make it match. And by the way, if you want to vote for my Halloween costume, go to the community tab and enter your vote. This is your last chance before the votes are final. So far, it looks like you guys are voting for me to be Jeffree Star with 53% of the votes so far for Jeffree Star. So if you want me to be something else for Halloween, you better go over to the community tab and place your votes before it's too late. And I'm going to be posting that video for you guys on Halloween. But so far it looks like it's going to be Jeffree Star. So, you know what? This is not looking too bad for oh my god, I'm already over 5 minutes. Oopsie daisy. So we're already over 5 minutes. And I forgot concealer, and we haven't even touched the eyes yet. So today we're going to be going for a super duper easy peasy vampire sneezy bejeezy leezy spoopy whoopy doopy goopy loopy look. What's wrong with me? So I'm going to use this red, and then I'm going to put that all over. It looks like it's a tiny bit shimmery, but that's okay. This is going to be like a super unisex look, so if you want to recreate this, this isn't too over the top that you couldn't do it if you're a boy. But my motto is always to be weird, be wild, and stay sparkly, you know that, so I say it doesn't matter what gender you are, or who you are, just have fun, especially on Halloween, you guys. Like, it is Halloween. Don't be afraid to go absolutely ham. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a smaller brush with the same color. It's not super small, but I don't like to put black underneath my eyes because they're super almond shaped and really tiny. So I like to just keep it colorful. Okay, so now that we are done with the red, and we are already 2 minutes over. Oh my god, so much for 5 minutes, but maybe we can make it in under 10. Now I'm going to go in this Rock Nudes palette, and I'm going to hop into a black color with this same eyebrow brush, and I'm going to put it on like liner on the base of my eyelid. Now for the purpose of today's video, I'm just like slightly winging it out, but not really, because for the shape of my eyes, if there's like a ton of black, it just closes my eye off. I usually don't rock a wing liner because my eyes are extremely hooded, and it makes the overall shape of my eye be downturned if I wing it out, because there's like literally nowhere to wing it out that's not hooded. And now I'm just going to go in with this brush in like this taupish gray color and smoke out the outer corner in between the black and the red so that we are a smoky vampire. Now I'm going to go in with mascara. This is the Mega Volume by Wet n Wild. I personally absolutely love Wet n Wild mascaras because they are extremely cheap, like cost efficient, and they're honestly some of the nicest, most pigmented mascaras for your dollar, in my opinion. Now I'm just going to go in with my setting spray, which is this e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. And while it is still wet, I'm going to go in with a fan brush and this Makeup Revolution Illuminating Powder, which is so ghetto and hitting pan and just dying. And I'm going to highlight the highest points of my cheekbones, baby, yeah. So who said that you need an hour? Who said, can you tell me who said that? Yeah. But yeah, who said that you need an hour to do your glam makeup? You definitely don't. So if all of you guys out there are like, oh my god, I don't have a Halloween costume, just go Halloween Glam or Vampire Glam. It'll take you, apparently not 5 minutes. Oh, apparently not 10 minutes either. We went over that mark as well. I'm so sorry, so sorry. But perhaps we can make it before 15 minutes. We are almost done, you guys. So I can't decide whether I want to go in on the lips with a red or a black. So I found a lip liner. Either way, we're gonna use this lip liner because it was the first one that I could grab. And then, should I do like a black? Not really doing an overdraw today for time purposes. Why don't we just do the first color that I find in here? Oh, red it is. We are doing a super matte red by Mariposa. This is like a really crappy old gloss that I meant to throw out because it stains my lips really badly, but it was the first one that I grabbed. You always want to highlight your Cupid's bow before you put on your lip color if you're going to highlight it. Because then it really makes things pop. Oh my god. Now I'm going to set this baby in place with one more misting of my setting spray. If I can actually find it. Where are you? I don't know. This has become a Rocky Horror Picture Show, baby. I have no idea what's wrong with me. All right. And this is the finished look. You could put on lashes if you're feeling it, but for the sake of today's video, I'm not going to be wearing lashes. And this is my super quick, almost 15-minute version of Vampire Glam. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And like I said, if you want to put in your vote for my Halloween costume, then you should probably head over to the community poll and make sure to vote. And stay tuned to see the transformation of my subscribers pick my Halloween costume for the next video on my channel. And as always, make sure to be weird, be wild, and stay sparkly. And if you are brand new to my channel, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you can join the sparkly family. And welcome. And that is it for today's video. I love you guys. Bye.